Hello everyone, welcome to Nice Light Media. So today I am going to show you how to retouch 60-bit image. How to retouch 60-bit image. Now before we go into the retouching, we are going to first of all size our photo by cropping it. Now make sure if you are posting your photo on social media, make sure it's between 4:5 ratio, 8:10 ratio. So now we are going to size it, then you cut it, then drag it up a little. So I'm going to take it forward a little. So now I'm done with this. The next thing we are going to do now is to adjust some of the colors. So now you come to filter, then you click camera raw filter, then it will take you here. So now we are going to take our contrast up a little by clicking the plus. We take it to plus 20. 21 is okay. Then take the highlight down a little. 18 is okay. Then shadow, take the shadow up a little. 35 is okay. Then white, the picture is having some white, we take it down a little. Then blacks, take blacks down a little. So from here now we can now take the exposure up a little to brighten it a little. So here we go, click OK. So the next thing we are going to do now is to remove some of the blend sheet we are seeing here now. So we are going to remove some of these blend sheets we are seeing by clicking Ctrl J to cut out a new layer. So the next thing we are going to do now is to pick our patch tool. After we have already cut our new layer, then we pick our patch tool. Then you zoom it out to remove those big brim sheets out carefully without destroying the texture. So you take it like this, then you draw it down. Take it like this, then you draw it down. So this is how you remove it. So when you are doing your own, you have to carefully do your own so that you won't destroy the texture. Welcome back everyone. So I'm done removing the brim sheet. You can see before and after. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create black and white layout to see if I have finished removing the blend sheet. So I will create a black and white layer. This will help me trace if this photo is still having brim sheets. So you can see it's not having brim sheet again. It's not having brim sheet anymore. So the next thing we are going to do now, we turn it off. We click, then you turn it off. The next thing we are going to do is to Ctrl J to get another copy of your photo. You Ctrl J, then you turn off. Then we are going to name this. We are going to name this one low frequency, which is abbreviation of LF. that's low frequency layer. Then this one, high frequency layer, which is abbreviation of HF. So we are going to turn off the high frequency layer, then click the low frequency layer, then come up to filter, then you come to blur, then you come to Gaussian blur. Then your Gaussian blur, the amount of radius you add to your picture will determine the texture you are going to have. Now the low frequency layer, is the color, while the high frequency layer is the texture. So if you put your low frequency layer, the radius, if you blur the radius at the rate of 1.4 piece, when you retouch your image will look plastic and there will be no more texture on it. But when you draw it up, okay, let's say we are using 8, we are going to use 8 for it. So this one will give us our natural texture, and we can easily work on the color without destroying the texture. So the next we are going to do now is to click OK. Then we come to, you turn the high frequency layer on, then you click on it, then you come to your apply image, then you come to your low frequency layer, you come to merge, then you come to low frequency layer. Then when you come to low frequency layer, you come to multiply to change the blend mode. You change the blend mode from multiply to add. This is a 16-bit image. If you are using 8-bit image, you use subtract. But since this is 16-bit image, we are using add. Then you click OK. Then you come to invert. Then you invert it. You leave the scale at 2. Then offset, you leave it 0. The remaining place, you can use my setting. Then you click OK. You come here to change the blend mode from normal to linear light. Change it to linear light. Then you group the two by holding down your control. Then you click the low frequency layer. Then you click your Control G to group them together. Then you click on the group. Then you come to your low frequency layer. Then turn off the high frequency layer. Here now you can make use of your black to trace the color you need to blend. We are not going to touch every part of the skin, no, just the parts that have too many color that we are going to touch. So we click our black and white, we turn it on, then let's do it this way, turn it on, then okay, so we make use of it this way. You come here to pick your mixer brush tool. In some Photoshop you will see your mixer brush tool in this space of this tools panel. You will see your mixer brush tool here. So but in my Photoshop I will have to click here. So if you have this type of Photoshop that not have your mixer brush tool here, then you have to click the underline to pick your mixer brush tool. So this is my mixer brush tool. I'm going to click. So you can see my opacity, my width. I'm going to set my width to 14. Then my flow, I'm going to leave my flow like this. No, I'm going to take my flow to 11. Then you come to your hardness. You come to the hardness. You let the hardness to be 0. You can use my setup. Then the next thing we are going to do is to click on the low frequency layer. Then we work on the place we have to work on. We click on the low. Then the next thing now is to click on the low frequency layer. Then you zoom your picture out. You zoom it out to clean the place you have to blend their color. So now one thing you have to know, don't touch when you are retouching. Avoid the natural light. That's the natural highlight on the face. Avoid it. So what you are going to do when you are blushing around the natural light on the face, you have to be careful so that you can brush it very well. You have to be careful when you are brushing it. So you brush it very well to mix with the skin. So you see, I hope you can see the changes. So you can see the changes. So now we are going to let's turn this one off for you to see what we just did now. Then you click here. So what do you see now? You can see before and after. So you can see before and after. So now let's turn it off again. So when you are doing your own, you have to be careful. When you are doing your own, you have to be careful. So welcome back, everyone. So now we are done with our retouching. You can see before, you can see before, you can see after. You can see before, you can see after. Okay, look it very well. You can see before, you can see after. So when retouching, you retouch both the hair, you can retouch the hair and the face, the place that have too much color, so that you won't scatter the natural look. So now, the next thing you are going to do is to click the high frequency layer. You click the high frequency layer, then you come to your patch tool. Why do you want to use your patch tool on the high frequency layer? Because of if you see some blimp sheets on the face that you want to remove, you can quickly use it to remove them like this. So you can quickly use it to remove them like this. So this is how you retouch 16-bit image. If you have 16-bit image before and you are afraid looking for how to retouch it, so you can use this method, and you can see the before, and you can see the before how it is. You can see the transformation, and you can see the after. So this is all. I hope with this you have learned something great today. So if you are looking for someone to help you carry out your photo editing, we are always available to help you carry out your photo editing. And also don't forget to click on the subscription button, then subscribe, turn on the notification bell for you to receive more of our amazing video. See you in our next tutorial.